Okay, so here's the first of the videos that we're going to have a look at basic algebra for year 10, and I'm going to go right back to the beginning for you. So getting used to algebra. Okay, so algebra is where you use a letter or a symbol to represent numbers. That's all it is. Okay, so it allows us to make general patterns about things. The reason we use letters is because, of course, they're all very easy to write, whereas you could actually do it all with smiley faces or elaborate little drawings, but it makes it very long to write, whereas just using simple letters makes it very, very quick. Okay, so let's have a look at a couple just writing in algebra first. So we've got a little example here. Alex has some sweets. We don't know how many sweets Alex has, so therefore we can say, well, Alex has got X sweets, all right? And if Alex is given 5 more sweets, then we can actually write down how many sweets he's got in total, because we can write it as X, which is his original number, plus another 5, okay? All right, so Bob has some toys, but we don't know how many toys he has. So we can say Bob has M toys. Bob buys 6 more toys. So how many has he got now? Well, he's got M plus 6. So M's the original number, and then he adds another 6 to it. Okay, Bill catches Y fish. Okay, Bob takes 3 away from, or some other bloke, Ben, I should say, takes 3 away from him. Rude, eh? How do we write that? Well, you've got Y fish to start off with, and then you simply take 3 off it. And Fred has X DVDs, Frank has Y DVDs. How many have they got all together? Well, we've got Fred's X and we've got Frank's Y, so we write that as X plus Y. So let's have a look at some examples here. We're going to use algebra. 2 less than W. Okay, so we've got W first and then we take 2 off. Brilliant. 3 more than D, so we've got the D first and then we add 3 more to it. Okay, 5 lots of C, so that's another way of writing multiply. So that's going to become 5C. Now, if you put a multiply sign in between the 5 and the C, you need to get out of that habit now. F divided by G, okay, that looks like this, but we can also write it as much more easily as 1 over the other. I just couldn't type that very easily. P less than Q. Now, I started with Q and then I took P off it. All right, so be very careful reading that one. And M less than 7. I started with 7 and then I took M off it. Okay, good job.